want to encourage say yeah anti be bo mbesia into metua into mobile be bono anamo be twenase. No, the young men and women in the communities will not sit down again to be watching you. These microfinance companies are mama mam loan. Now you take embrano into your own hands to go after people. You don't have the right. It is not you walking or driving to the person's house. Now I catch and say, Antiama, obe boy, your company ba besia 3,000, aka 500 Ghana, 80 by force, you took aba. Any day I bet sa somewhere BM. You benya any video online. Say, mona mojiji loan, mona mobajiji ka. Ya di mogu kia picanto sa di endiemu. Moji sha blue, moji sha yellow, moji sha red. You are entering people's home to harass them. We will make sure the young people in that place, baby, they will come after you. Na mo man loan na mo na nam jom eno where the loan where the ojia 2 days. Yeah mom yeah how bosime me ensakura ubetuma yojuma. We see it. Most of them makofa allo I want to be I am hungry celebrities. Nobody di mo jom pencil moke girls. Omunye juma papa biano. Most sorry na ma float. Na mo nam jom. Ya maame mo mu yomodwuma na mo di loan is show mo kon. Oh loan we there 5 months akra na how wo de chiro wudin Ghana card wen ya mfele ma opede 500 ochina beje. They don't come to your offices. You are the people who are forcing them to take the loan. Celebrities be a comedy omo na ho pepra ehiafo bia omo $10,000 krada na ma se omo egu float so na ma hye omo check tantan bi na omo na nam kejetia na omo na makola na omo na malata na nkwasiafo omo jimi omo ho in the name say this is a new loan company. Ekurase celebrities for we enenam Ghana emumba ne mema enkwasiade convince am amenom say they should take loan. Ada ye beti say obi asuma ne dwumemfo say monko maami we ho na odi aka 1,000 or the aka 200. We will make sure we let the people go after you people. The police arrest 4 Bills microcredit employees for assaulting 42-year-old Hagar Emisa during debt recoupment. Now, you know who video be na you say Bills microcredit for a year ni agent for be equa abontine say omoko akwaje loan. Every maybe wa I don't want to play the video on my show. Na ma kuta akwara almost saw my minimum in a they were just basically harassing the woman. All because my minute day a year company neka and these young men omuna company na hire almost say in fact omunko abontine obi a ode company nika biano sebio omunko jisikano. Now sometimes obi beka say okay I am not and I want to put this on record. I am not holding brief for these guys. Whatever they did video it was wrong and they need to be punished for it. Now what I want Ghanaians to understand and say, and I want to tell Bills microcredit, I have no personal issues with them, but I want to address this loan companies in Ghana issue. What we saw in the video does not mean say Bills micro credit for no agent. So we cannot use this for to bring down a whole company that has employed young people. Because whether you like it or not, Bill's company, any other loan companies, almost for Ghana for be and some people are being paid because of these kind of companies. So we cannot sit here and say because of the actions of some people, these particular guys into every person be Bills microcredit and I say other loan companies and that's how they treat customers or people they deal with. Now, there's something I want to address here. I want Ghanaians to understand, so be a loan company. You need to also find a better way of recouping one debt. So why would you be a loan company? You need to find a way that you will take your money back without harassing people. And for a very long time, there are a lot of loan companies in Ghana. They are abusing Ghanaians. In fact, let me take this thing off. You know the reason? Because there are some people who pick the caption alone and use Bills microcredit as the people I'm talking about. I am not specifically speaking against only Bills microcredits. No, I'm speaking in general when it comes to loan collection companies. And the companies are Omoma loans. There's a trend in Ghana, and for some time now, we have not paid attention. And that Ghana and loan companies were Oba Krum ha. when people default on their loans, there are so many ways, sir. A loan company, you should be able to take your loan. That is not the job of the government. You have to make sure you work within the laws. And itina say uni saabu treno untumi endure that processor. You are not supposed to go into loans or giving loans out to Ghanaians. There are a lot of companies in Ghana almost loan. At the end of the day, they terrorize people. And a lot of these companies, they use Nigerians. And sometimes, you'll be on social media. Sometimes they go as far as going on radio stations to go put people's picture there to say, this man is wanted. This man has done this crime. Abrana nipane nyeda enyesa. All because nipane de eye sa loan company nika. We have seen some foreigners in Ghana who have been hired by these loan companies harassing Ghanaians without due respect. Nipana obeji loan no watching into oba. Now, so why you say Obama loan now? You need to understand say I was a proper way to take your money back. Now, when you're ready to go through the difficult process to take your money back, then my friend, do not open a loan company. Because the harassment in Ghana about Makoji loan waha, if you know you cannot go through the process, you are not supposed to harass anybody. Anything as will be loan, it is at your discretion. When I'll be deciding whether to give to the person or not. There are so many things you need to look out for before you hand over loan to somebody. We a loan company. That's why be a loan company or man call for loaner. You don't have the right. None of your workers have any right to lay a hand on anybody at Wabeji loan or company. Nobody. And in fact, when we go back or try to go into the detail of these things, the loan companies or mama loans, it was some who go through a process, a legitimate, and a process of harassing people to take your loan or take your money back. It is a company who Ghana and Nigeria and say, I work sika and maybe a loan company. I didn't know about your Obian shall be a loan company. Nobody is forcing anybody to put up or establish a loan company. So why you say open for so to be a loan company? You also have to be ready to endure that process. Because at the end of a point will come, the young men and women in the communities will start attacking your workers. Because you ain't to and Tim. Now your auntie be bomb besia or buy an obeka na asamu chiremo. Mo man the document man fele mo checking the financial status. Mo checking idea also odisia wawa. Mo checking how you are going to take your money. Inti muntu nkanche say ya auntie be bomb besia. Inti ometua inti mo ba be bono anamo be twena se. No. You don't have any rights. And this is part of the job. That is why enyo obi able to be a loan company. And enyo obi able to be a loan company because the process of getting back your money, it is not a small process. It's tedious, and we are not giving you that right to go after enforce me kobono monko tata ma we koji sika. No, anytime these things the people will rise up against you people. The young men and women in the communities will not sit down again to be watching you, these microfinance companies are mama mam loan. Now you take Embrano into your own hands to go after people. You don't have the right. And this is not to any company. I am making it general. All the loan companies in Ghana. Somebody imagine say you are going to harass people to take your money. So obi baso beji loan. It is up to you. Wona woman loan to assess the person. You have to let a person go through screening. You need to weigh a lot of things before you say 10,000. Now, so we have due diligence. We are that due diligence, no any screening, no, and a very good way to claim your money back. It is not you walking or driving to the person's house. No, I catch and say, Antiama, over boy, your company back, Bessia 3,000, Aka 500 Ghana, 80 by force, you took Aba. Adam mobile side, people attacking people because. You people are becoming a nuisance. You are becoming a threat to our communities. You, those loan collectors, sad debt collectors, you are becoming a nuisance. More harm than good. It is when you're ready to the right channel, so ajimu loan, ajimu sika baka. Then don't come into the communities attacking people and harassing people. There are so many ways you can take your loan. Through text messages, through emails, you can use the police, you can sue the person. And I think there are other ways of doing it. In America, say the car at a point, Tax collector cannot come to your house and say, I've been given the right to come and take this loan. They will have to come and serve you. They will have to email you. They will have to send letters to you. At a point, someone serving the partner and respond there. You can bring the police and pick the person up. But no loan company in Ghana from today. Because anytime a better system will be, we will also advise the public to attack you people. Today, I'm not going to make that statement. Any day I bet system will be any video online from anybody say mona mojiji loan mona mobajiji ka ye de mogu kia picanto se die ndiemu moje she blue moje she yellow moje she red. You are entering people's home to harass them. We will make sure the young people in that place baby amubakono they will come after you. So desist from that kind of character. Sa subaino, we need to take it out of the system. Mona mo loan na muna na nam jom eno we the loan we the ojia 2 days ye mom ye how bosome me nsakura ubetuma ye odwuma. We see it. Most of them makofa allo I am hungry celebrities. No mo di monim odwom pencil moke girls omu nye adwuma papa bia no mo sorry na ma fa float na mo nam jom. Ya maame mo mu yomodwuma na mo di loan is show mo kon loan we die 5 months kra ne how wo de chiro wudin Ghana card wen yan fele ma opede 500 ochina beje. They don't come to your offices. You are the people who are forcing them to take the loans. Ghana for majority of Ghana for maame for ya aunties ya papa do ma mo force the loan show mo kon mo na mo de ko tata mo. All because you make cheap money, you make easy money from these people. All because your turnover is big. Most of them krom celebrities be a comedy or mom na ho pepra e hiafo bia omo $10,000 krada na ma se omo egu float so na ma hye omo check tantan bi na omo nanam kejetia na omo nanam makola na omo namalata na nkwasiafo omo jimi omo ho in the name say this is a new loan company. I can show you so many videos of these celebrities. There's a crazy celebrities for way. And then I'm Ghana. A mumba ne mema and kwasiade a convince my men say they should take loan. Inti ya catch them. Sibia mudi loan tata omono. They also have the right to pay at their own pace. So to me nya then go through the process. Because from today, ada ya better say obi asuma ne dwumem fo se monko maami we ho na odi aka 1,000 or the aka 200. We will make sure we let the people go after you people. Because more be dangerous to our communities and our society. Mo amoji sa mo se na mokoji loan debt ye na yakori jijika no sa mo kwa maame yesrew ye free company we letter we na ye de bro o first letter ni ye so de aka 1,000 Ghana ye yesrew bra eye office wetua ni momo a me hwe receipt no o the man of first day wanka bibia the following day mo ba mo letter ni o the third day no makache Ghana police mo me yanko because police mo arrest no police needs to have a document to prove say e was so obechi nipa no and send a police no ho kwan so obechi nipa de na police station. Nobody has the right to put boys or girls or whatever in a car and say moko tata we wa wo be di san kwase sem no Ghana biem no o company no ye be boa manegu. I don't want to go after anybody. That's why I'm making this general. More and more loan companies, you know. Tomorrow, you need to have a meeting and take out that part of your harassing call for. You can send one person to go and deliver a message. And that delivering of message, you know, it's not supposed to be harassment. If you have to give a letter to the person, more the phone number, more email, more text you more, and also more send you more email. And I say, mo text you almost 3 times na nipa na an respond there mo betumi de mo letter na ko police na maka che police onje warrant no nko chiripa no yete mamanya emra wo mama fa mo nkwasi ade na mo Ghana no entata nkofo adan ya yabegi loan kwasi afo mo abukoji loan mo de ka 90% of Ghana for sikafo obi antumi ncho $1 million ehiafo mo tete Ghana na mo nwunwe ehiafo Ghana. You don't have any money. And I'm Ghana, Sikaki to be become on Sano, and you are turning the money around at most harassing for. Now, we are casting a BM books. Munina more Ghana, moya ye loan companies. Yakasi ye BM books out the Timupa, come on, jail. Huh? Ghana na Mranya Jumentra. You sit in Ghana and you call yourselves billionaires and then years. most ankwasi afori binam na nam Ghana no senkeka say ye auditimo pa na ehwem books mu a kamo sa loan companies and kamo na nam Ghana ka majority of people be in jail. It is ankwasi aden there, it should change. That company policy no ochina mo revise no. You should take it out because you send a video for fraud on the internet. You send another video of any of these companies harassing anybody. What we would do is that we will also tell the people to protect themselves, protect their relatives, prevent you people from arresting those people. Samoya side yedi biem na yehu sa videos na yes ebeka che community no yebeka che young people no say anytime ebehu mo e o mantem sa mo be chi obi mo be dan mo ka no they should protect themselves, and it's not going to be fun, it's not going to be beautiful, it's going to create a lot of issues. Into more loan companies no more revise mo policies ni biem more revise mo policies no because in kwafo mo suma mo so mo koji loan no omunya police officers. Embrabia ni Ghana emomo ekwan se omunkwaje eka emobi. All those boys and girls you have been sending around. Embrabia ni Ghana ha aka se omo the right to go and task somebody say what the company car. Some person omo je eka. There are rules emrada ho. Some person be reading emrana from Ochina. I can come and read sa emrana chira Ghana for that you cannot just go out there and say me be down ka ye be so mu ye be twon. Ochina, we will come and read every single thing. The process you need to go through before you can take your loan or debt from anybody. It should end today. Okay.